my name is Gianluca Rospo. I'm responsible for operation maintenance for Bonatti, which is an Italian company headquartered in Parma. Bonatti is a general contractor. We are dealing in the oil and gas and energy sector. We are covering from upstream to downstream. We are responsible for EPC project, large pipeline, and also in the service sector for operation and maintenance. I'm presenting a speech regarding shutdown operation because we are trying to implement a new way of optimizing the shutdown execution using IT tools. This will cut the costs and increase also efficiency in the whole process. The oil and gas industry is under pressure since decades. This digitalization, it's the opportunity for the sector to increase the value chain, because using IT tools, some other intelligence, artificial intelligence optimization, you can cut the cost, optimize the cost, increase the efficiency, and also having smoothless operation. This will maybe give another boost to the sector. Actually, this is not my first time in AUTOMA. I also attended last year, so we had also a lot of insight in the past edition, because it's a big opportunity to exchange ideas and having also new technology that are popping up. So we use some of that in our operation. For example, we are now implementing digital twins for some specific operation. And so this is a big opportunity for all the people involved in this conference. For sure, it's one of the main drivers for the new future, the digitalization, because the energy transition will implement also a lot of new technology, because the oil and gas is a mature sector, so the transition will allow to use new technology, IT tools, in order to have a better transition, and also using a new technique will allow all the sector to have a better future. This is not the first time in AUTOMA, so we see also big benefit. First of all, because you have the opportunity to check new idea, new technology that are popping up through the years. We also exchange ideas with other colleagues or our competitors, also other peers of the sector, so you can also learn and take home for a new way of doing business. So for us, it's really a big chance to be here. For me, now every year seems more organized, because I see a lot of planning also in the preparation, because I have been also invited as a guest, as a speech. So I see a lot of preparation before. So there is really a full commitment in doing this event a successful event.